This plate of Claypot chicken rice is cooked in a rice cooker, but it is no less tasty than those cooked on the stove. This is one chicken chopped into pieces, 7 shitake mushroom, 1 packet of caixin, and 1 big knob of ginger. Clean the shitake mushroom with a paper towel. Cut into slices. Grate the ginger and extract the juice. I like to use lots of ginger in this recipe. We also need some garlic oil and crispy garlic. Please see my other video on how to make these by clicking on the link in the description below. This is one chicken cut into pieces. Marinate with 2 tablespoons of ginger juice, 2 tablespoons of Sautéing wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Mix. And then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and set it aside to marinate for 1 hour or longer. This is 1 Chinese sausage or cheong, which we have soaked in water for about 1 hour. Remove the skin and slice into thin slices. We start by frying the Chinese sausage. Do not add too much oil. Fry until fragrant and remove. Add the mushroom. Spread the mushroom in the wok and let them brown. Turn and brown the other side. When fragrant, add 1 tablespoon of oil and continue frying for a short while. Add the chicken with the marinade sauce. Fry for 3 minutes. Add a few spoons of water if it is too dry. After 3 minutes, add about 1 bowl of hot water. Let them slowly simmer, stirring constantly. This is after 5 minutes. As the breast meat is cooked and we do not want to overcook them, we have taken them out to allow the rest to simmer longer. The cooking time really depends on how big we cut the meat. This is after another 5 minutes of slow simmer. The thickest part of the chicken is cooked. Add the breast meat back into the wok. Add some black soy sauce for color. We have to make sure that the chicken is fully cooked now, as we are not going to cook it again later. If there are still a lot of sauce in the wok, like what you see here, increase the heat to reduce the sauce. We are cooking 3 cups of rice. Add 3 cups of water. And 1.5 teaspoons of ginger juice. Add the ginger pulp. We are now preparing a sauce to go with the rice. This is 1 tablespoon each of shaoxing wine, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Add some dark soy sauce for color and half a teaspoon of sugar. When the rice is ready, add garlic oil, crispy garlic, and the sauce that we made earlier. We have added in total about 4 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy garlic, and 4 tablespoons of sauce. Add cheong, and chicken only without the sauce. Mix, and this is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.